Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to use color inversion on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll. Okay, you just keep scrolling and here on the down you can see the additional settings. Okay, and so here is the additional settings and you have to click on it. After you have been click on it, here you have to move on this accessibility. Okay, so just click on accessibility. When you move it on the side, you are going to find the vision. Okay, here first is the general vision, hearing, then etc. Okay, you just click on vision. When you move on it, just scroll little bit on the upside. Then here you are going to find this color inversion. So if you want to use it, if you want to use, just click on this icon color inversion and select this black one. Okay, just on it. Okay, so here the color inversion has been activated if you want to use, and if you don't want to use, you can off it. Just click on this icon again. Here it has been set off. So if you want to use, you can use on it and they change it like this. Okay, see, if you like this and you want to use, you can use it like this. And if you don't want to use this screen problem, color inversion, you can move to setting and off it. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.